Welcome to this conversation.
Lesson 1. What is your favorite color?
What's your favorite color?
That's a tough question. I have a few favorites, but I think my absolute favorite is blue.
Blue is a great color. It's so calming and serene.
I know, right? It always makes me feel relaxed and peaceful. I love the way the sky looks on a clear blue day, and I also love the way the ocean looks when it's a deep blue.
Me too. Blue is definitely a color that I associate with happiness and peace.
What are your other favorite colors?
I really like green too. It's the color of nature, and it always makes me feel connected to the earth. I also like yellow and orange. They're both so cheerful and optimistic.
Those are all great colors. I think it's interesting how our favorite colors can say so much about our personalities.
Yeah, I agree. I think our favorite colors can reflect our moods, our values, and even our dreams.
That's a really good point. I'm glad we had this conversation about colors. It's made me think about them in a new way.
Me too. It was fun to share our favorite colors with each other.
Really, it was fun for both.
Lesson 2. Where were you born?
Hey, where were you born?
I was born in Seoul, South Korea.
Oh, that's cool. I've always wanted to visit South Korea.
You should. It's a beautiful country with a rich history and culture.
What was it like growing up in Seoul?
It was great. I lived in a small apartment with my parents and younger sister. We went to the park a lot, and I loved exploring the city with my friends.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I bet you learned a lot about Korean culture growing up there.
I did. I learned how to speak Korean, and I got to experience all sorts of Korean traditions and festivals.
That's amazing. I'm so jealous.
Don't be. I'm sure you have your own amazing experiences to share.
I do. I was born in San Francisco, California. It's a beautiful city with a lot of diversity.
That sounds like a great place to grow up.
It was. I loved going to the beach and exploring the city. I also got to experience a lot of different cultures, which was really cool.
It sounds like we both had great childhoods.
We did. I'm so grateful for the experiences I had growing up.
Me too.
Lesson 3. When is your birthday?
Hey, I was wondering when your birthday is?
It's on February 25th. Why do you ask?
I was just curious. I'm trying to keep track of everyone's birthdays so I can wish them a happy birthday on time.
That's great. I appreciate that.
So, what do you usually do for your birthday?
I usually go out to dinner with my family and friends. Sometimes we have a party at home.
That sounds fun. I'm not sure what I'm going to do for my birthday this year. I might just go on a trip somewhere.
That would be great. You could always come to my party.
Lesson 4. What is your dream?
Hey, what are you up to?
Not much, just thinking about my dream.
Oh, what was it about?
I was a famous singer, and I was performing in front of a huge crowd. They were all cheering and singing along, and it was the most amazing feeling in the world.
That sounds amazing. I've always wanted to be a famous singer too.
It's definitely a dream of mine, but I know it's going to take a lot of hard work to achieve it.
I know, but I think you can do it. You have a great voice, and you're really passionate about music.
Thanks, I appreciate that. I'm definitely going to keep working hard at it.
So, what's your next step?
I'm going to start by entering some local singing competitions. I think that's a good way to get my foot in the door.
That's a great idea. I'm sure you'll do great.
Thanks, I hope so.
Lesson 5. What is your favorite sport?
Hey, what's your favorite sport?
That's a tough question. I love a lot of sports, but I think my favorite is basketball.
Basketball is great. I love the fast pace and the excitement of the game.
Me too. I also love the teamwork involved in basketball. It's really satisfying to work together with your teammates to win a game.
What's your favorite team?
I'm a big fan of the Golden State Warriors. They're so much fun to watch, and they've won the championship a few times in recent years.
The Warriors are definitely a great team. I'm a fan of the Boston Celtics myself.
The Celtics are always a tough team to beat. They have a lot of history and tradition.
That's for sure. I'm excited to see how they do this year.
Me too. It should be a fun season.
So, in addition to basketball, what other sports do you like?
I also like football, baseball, and soccer. I'm pretty much a fan of any sport that's exciting and competitive.
Same here. I love watching sports. It's a great way to spend a day.
It sure is. I'm glad we could talk about sports. It's always fun to discuss our favorite teams and players.
Me too. Thanks for the chat.
No problem. See you around.
Lesson 6. How is your business going?
Hey, Alia, it's good to see you again. How's your business going?
It's going great, thanks for asking. We've been really busy lately, which is a good problem to have. We just opened a new location in New York, and it's been a huge success.
That's awesome. Congratulations. I've been thinking about expanding my business too, but I'm not sure if it's the right time.
If you're thinking about it, I'd say go for it. The market is good right now, and there's a lot of opportunity out there.
I'll have to think about it some more. But in the meantime, I'm happy to hear that your business is doing well.
Thanks, I appreciate it. I'm really excited about the future of our company.
I'm sure it's going to be great. So, what do you have planned for the next few months?
We're launching a new product line in October, and we're also planning to expand our marketing efforts. We're really looking to grow our business in the next year.
That sounds ambitious, but I'm sure you can do it. You've got a great team, and you're clearly doing something right.
Thanks for the vote of confidence. I'm excited to see what the future holds for us.
Me too. Well, I should probably get going. It was great catching up.
You too. Let's do it again soon.
If it's helpful for you, then please like this video.